Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to gain exposure to Bitcoin using Etrade. While direct Bitcoin purchases are not currently available on the platform, there are several ways to invest in the cryptocurrency market indirectly. We will cover these methods, helping you understand how to navigate Etrade offerings to align with your investment goals. It is important to know the distinctions between owning Bitcoin directly and gaining exposure through other financial products. One popular way to gain Bitcoin exposure on Etrade is through exchange-traded funds, or ETF, and exchange-traded products, ETP. These funds allow you to invest in a product that mirrors Bitcoin's price movements without directly owning the cryptocurrency. Some spot Bitcoin ETPs even hold actual Bitcoin, providing a form of direct exposure without the need for a crypto wallet. You can buy and sell these products just like regular stocks within your Etrade account. Another avenue for indirect exposure involves Bitcoin futures contracts. These allow experienced traders to speculate on Bitcoin's future price, either going up or down, often with leverage. Additionally, you can consider investing in cryptocurrency coin trusts, such as the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. These trusts hold large pools of digital currency, and you purchase shares in the trust, providing another way to gain exposure to Bitcoin's performance through your Etrade brokerage account. While direct Bitcoin purchases are not currently supported, Etrade is actively working to expand its cryptocurrency offerings. The platform anticipates introducing direct trading for Bitcoin and other digital assets in the near future. This upcoming development will allow clients to buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly within their Etrade accounts, simplifying the process. Keep an eye on Etrade announcements for updates on these exciting new features and expanded access to the crypto market.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.